Alright, and then I would bend these down as much as you can without forcing it and breaking the wires. So once the 4 wires are soldered in place again, we're gonna insert the connector into the connector panel. There's a notch here on the connector, and then there's also a notch here on here. So the connector only fits one way. Insert it. Insert your dust cover, which also has a notch here. It might turn a little bit once you turn the nut, and then just tighten it in there. See, the dust cover might turn a little bit, but that's fine. You can do it with your hand, or you can get pliers. And then we're gonna slide the connector panel back, put the 4 screws back in, make sure they're nice and tight. And the last screw. And that should be all.